Making dashboards in Tableau. What is a dashboard? First of all, dashboard is a tool for information management and business intelligence. It provides information at a glance. For example, some key performance indicators, also known as KPI. We can also monitor performance, identify trends, measure efficiency, and spot outliers in a dashboard. When we create a dashboard, we should consider these questions. First, what kind of questions can be answered? Second, what type of data can be used to answer the questions? And third, how can it be interactive? Let's answer these questions together. First, what kind of questions can be answered? I have listed 3 questions that we can answer with our dashboard. The first one is, what are the top 5 Nintendo products by sales? Second, how is the sales performance over the years? And third, how are sales distributed by category over the years? For the second question, we can use our unit sales data source and the sales category breakdown data source to answer these questions. And for the third question, we can use filtering for the dashboard and use tooltips for it to be interactive. Before we go into making the dashboard, I strongly suggest that you try making the charts and graphs by yourself first. You may pause this video and resume after you are done. click on this icon to create a new dashboard. In the middle, we see the dashboard area. On the left, we can change the layout, such as where we will read the dashboard, the size, let's choose Automatic, and the worksheets we have. Below are the objects we can put in the dashboard, such as text and image. We can also set the object to be tiled or floating. And to show the dashboard title. To show our worksheet in the dashboard, just drag and drop it into the white area. After one is shown, if we drag it again, there is a gray area showing where we will place the second worksheet. Continue putting your worksheets into the dashboard. If the initial placement is not what you wanted, click on the top gray icon and put the worksheet wherever you want. Next, remove any legend that is not needed. Now, let us add a title for our dashboard. Under Objects, click on Text and drag it to the top. Type in the title. Click OK and resize it. Fine-tune your dashboard by editing the title of the worksheets, resizing the charts, aligning the worksheets, and so on. Now let's apply a filtering action so that when we click on Game Boy, the top 5 products will filter for Game Boy 2. To do this, click on Dashboard and choose Actions. Click Add Action and choose Filter. Under the source sheets, deselect those that have a different data source. Next, do the same for target sheets. Choose the trigger action as Select to filter after we select a group. There is no need to change this as we want to show all values after we deselect. Click OK, OK, and now when we select the group in one worksheet, the other worksheet will also automatically filter and show the results. This is the end of the module. You can move on to the next module, Telling a Story with Tableau.